many people don't think that they have anything wrong with their gut because they're not experiencing gut-related symptoms. But if you have a problem with your health, for example, an autoimmune disease like I did, or if you have any hormone imbalances, like the symptoms of chronic fatigue or boob pain and exhaustion, anything that is a symptom requires healing, and you have to go to your first place, which is your gut health. The reason why we're all sick today is because we're not eating the right foods. We're not feeding that beneficial bacteria. Your bacteria is your soil. So if your soil isn't right, then you're not going to be right. So you have to get your soil, your foundation correct so that you can nurture the rest of your body. And your soil is that bacteria. The bacteria is your probiotics, which we should ideally get from the ground. But our food is too processed today, and why we have to take those supplements and then also eat our prebiotic fiber. So we have to have the fiber, we have to have the antioxidants, and we have to have that good bacteria inside of our gut. Otherwise, we will not have a healthy soil grow. It's actually growth, but grow comes from our bacteria. We are made up of more bacteria than we are cells. And it is so important that we feed that bacteria, otherwise then we get sick. Our immune system weakens. 60 to 70% of our immunity lies within inside of our gut. So if you keep getting recurring colds, flus, even COVID, your bacteria, your immune system needs some tender care and loving with a lot of water as well, because we also need to hydrate ourselves to keep ourselves growing and healthy.